everyone! Welcome to another class of Art is Your Destiny. Today, we're going to be drawing a kitty cat. So let's get started. First, let's draw the triangle nose. Like that. Now, let's draw two curves. One like that. And another like that with that. Let's draw one diagonal line going up the nose. And let's draw another line going like that. To make it look more realistic. Now, let's draw the eye. We're going to be drawing a curved diagonal line going straight towards the nose. And we're going to be drawing a curve. Like something like this. Now we're going to be drawing another one, but bigger this time. We're going to draw a curve. Now, we're going to make this a little bit more curved. Cute. Now, let's draw one cute curve inside the eye. And I'm going to actually erase that. Make a curve like that. Now we're gonna draw another curve going like that, and another curve going like that. Let's color this in. And now, we're gonna put one curve there. Erase this. And draw another curve like we did in the other eye. We'll color this in too. We're gonna be changing this a bit. I'm gonna think of doing it a little bit less curved, like that. Let's make that not too big. Perfect. Now let's draw the head. Before that, we're gonna draw eyebrows up here. And another over here. Right above the eyes. It's a little closer. Like that. Let me remove this. Make it as symmetry as possible. Now, above this, we're going to be drawing two curves like that. Now, make a little curve like that, little curve like that. Make sure this. We're gonna make the ear now. get that so far. There, we got that. Now we're gonna draw those two like wave curves or something like that. Again, inside the ear though. Let's make it curvy. Curvy like that. Perfect. Let's draw this curve. I'm going to change it a little bit. Like that. We got it like that so far. Let's change it like that. Curvy. Sorry about this. Wow, neat. Three whiskers. Just random strokes. Like that. Mine kind of looks a little bit too chubby, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be changing this up. Wow, changing this a lot. Making the whiskers again. Like that. Now, I forgot the other ear here. The other ear here. That right. Let's go down like that. Let's make another mini version of a triangle. Let's go here. Now, what we're gonna be doing is we got the face. Let's make a curve going here, like that. Now, let's see. What we're gonna be doing is making another curve like that, like a nose, kind of. Let's do that here again. I'm going to change this now. A little curve should do the trick. Wow, it's pretty good so far. Now I'm going to make a curve like that. Pause it there. I'm going to be changing this bit. Make it go like that instead. Just a tree. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's go down here again for the body. Let's draw a little small curve there. It'll start getting bigger. 1, 2, 3, but it's smaller than that. Like that. Now let's see. Let's see. We got that cute little baby kitten. It's so cute. Now it's gonna be holding a napkin. Let's go curve like that. Oops, sorry. Like that. Let's just go a little bit more back. Perfect. Look at that so far. Now what you're gonna be doing is we got that little napkin. We're gonna be going curving. We're gonna start slanting down like that. Now we're gonna make a curve like that. Let's go straight up and curve again. And imagine like it's attached. It's a napkin. Let's draw a curved one like that. Come in there so it looks more realistic. It's more realistic now. Now what you're gonna be doing is so cute. It's just so cute. I love it. Now what you're gonna be doing? Let's see. What we're gonna draw. The tail. Like that. Could be just wavy. Like that. We're gonna erase the whiskers. Actually, no. Let's keep the whiskers. Let's go there. You get that so far. Now, we're gonna be drawing a cute little baby kitten in a bag. We're gonna draw, like the ear, we're gonna be drawing this part here, there, this one over here. Then we're gonna draw a curvy line coming from the point like that. Keep going down, 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 and start going up again. Doesn't need to be perfect. Let's start going up again. Up, 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 up. And do the same curves. Wait. But before that, I think I should make this a little bit more slanting. So let's go a little bit more right there. Here. You can draw like that. And that. Wow, nice. Now this napkin's really good. The kitty cat's in the cute bowl. Let's draw some cool decorations. One curve like that. That's a swirl. Now let's draw. How about that? So zigzag should do it. Should make it nice and cute. Let's draw that 8. Let's see if we do that. You can just do random. You don't need to copy me. Just do random. I'm just doing random. Don't worry, it doesn't matter how it's gonna be. Wow, it's pretty nice. I love it. Swirly. I love these swirls. See, we got that. It's pretty nice. It's like a ball with so many stuff in it. Now we're done drawing the bowl. Let's start tracing. Got a Sharpie right here. I'm gonna write my name here. It's so good. Bye. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this.